Welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money. Today, I'm going to share with you how you can do your KYC on Ice, okay? And Ice is airdrop that I discovered last 2 months, and I talked about it, okay? I talked about it in this our channel. I talked about it, so you can see it here. So what you need to do, if you're not mining Ice yet, okay, if you're not mining Ice yet, so what you're going to do is come and watch this video so that you can get started. So we are going to their app to do our KYC. So what you are going to do once you are here, and the way to do the KYC is make sure that you upgrade, okay? Upgrade your app, okay? Go and uninstall and install the latest version of the app, okay, so that you can be able to do your KYC. So I'm going to share with you how you can do your KYC the easiest way. So you can see that I have up to 29,000 plus worth of this token, okay? I have up to 29,000 getting to 30,000 worth of this token. So what I'm going to do right now is very simple. I'm going to click on after you have installed the latest version of this app, okay? So you click on this place and see, you click on this place. So once you click on that, the next thing is to come and read the steps, okay? The step 1 is for a seamless experience. We are adding face authentication. This step acts as your early step 1, okay? Step 1 KYC prepare you for the streamlined verification for the future payments, okay? Confirm your identity today to ensure a smooth journey ahead. So you click on this agreed, because you must agree with their terms and conditions. So I click on continue. You can go and read their terms and conditions. I click on continue. So here the next thing now is to enter your country, okay? You can search for your country here. So once you search for your country, mine is Nigeria. I'm going to see my country here. So here the next thing is to enter Nigeria. So once I click on Nigeria, the next thing is to click on continue. So you need to allow Ice to take picture and record video. I click on allow. So the next thing now is to you hold it like this. So after taking this, the next thing is to click on done. You can see, please wait while we, okay, you can see it here. KYC emotion verification, great job. You have completed the first step by taking a selfie, okay? Now let's proceed by following the displayed emotion to continue your KYC process, okay? I click on continue. So I'm going to So you can see here that authentication successful. Okay, you need to be following what they are asking you to do here in order to go through it, and you can see that authentication successful. Thank you for confirming your identity. Your check-in season will start. Okay, I click on done. You can see that it has already started. Okay, and if you check here, you will see that I have 29,503. Okay, 29,503. This is to show you how you can do your KYC on this great app. Okay, and so don't play with what we are doing here. Don't play with what we are doing here. Do what everyone is doing so that you will make a lot of money when the time comes. Remember that the bull run is on the way, and a lot of millionaires are going to be made. And becoming millionaire is not overnight. You need to work for it. So we are working for it by doing what we know how to do. And I want you to join us, do the same thing, so that when the time comes, you will smile at your bank also. We are getting all those things for free. A lot of people, a lot of millionaires are millionaires today because of airdrop. Okay, and this airdrop is the way the company are using just to do their advert. This is the way, like telling you that this is what we are. Okay, but for you to believe that this is what they are, they need to give you something. That's when they will give you this airdrop, and you are mining this free of charge. You can see that 29,000, and I know a lot of people that mine a lot. Okay, a lot of people mine a lot of this token here, and you are here on time also. What you need to do is get started by watching that video so that you can do your KYC also and get started. Okay, this is seamless stuff here. You don't have to do anything. Just give it this permission by clicking on this so that it will start mining for you. Okay, that's that. You can see that the way it works. You can see here to see that it's mining for me free of charge. So guys, see you guys at the top. Make sure that you join all our communities where I teach a lot way to make money online, and remain blessed, and see you guys at the top. Bye bye.